I used to follow you from the first year itself, sir. Your videos on the YouTube channels, those toppers interviews. I used to follow the Speed app, sir, from the previous. Speed has those segregations. I was mentally prepared by myself that I need to join Speed. Also, one or two seniors also introduced me the same, but I joined it for myself, sir, on myself.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members to Dr. Hemant for scoring a topmost rank of 538 in MCA Surgical Group and NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
So great to have you in this session. Thanks for your time allocated for us for
Thank you
sharing
so
your
much.
experiences and for the students.
Yes, sir.
And can we know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. So basically, I'm from Nagpur. I did my UG from GMC Akola, Maharashtra itself. Then I completed my post graduation as a DNB surgery from Apollo Hospital, Ahmedabad. After completing my post graduation in March 2025, I went on to join as a senior resident in Kasturba Hospital, Mumbai. And I gave my this exam continuing as a SR itself in Mumbai.
Great, great. Now, what super specialty you're interested in?
So I'm actually interested in urology, neurosurgery.
Very good, excellent. Why can
Yes.
you know why neurosurgery?
So because when I joined Apollo Hospital in the initial days of my joining, I luckily got exposed to renal transplant surgeries, and from there I got fascinated by it, and so it drove my attention to neurosurgery.
Excellent.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can you tell us what all the strategies that you followed and what you adopted to get the rank like this?
When I gave last year's NEET SS, I completed my syllabus, but I could not get into the depth of super specialty subjects. So I knew that I'm lacking in super specialty subjects. So I went on to join Speed SS app. Basically, it has those segregations and separations of super specialty subjects, and it gives a thorough depth knowledge of those subjects. So since last year, it was a majority part of the cardiothoracic surgery. So first of all, I went on to do the cardiothoracic part, and you were excellently means you are too good, sir, in explaining all the concepts. And this time also, it was a bit majority of cardiothoracic surgery questions. So I could recall all those points which you were underlining from the love and billion Sebastian part. And yes, sir, I think that part completing the super specialty subject from Speed SS gave me an extra edge.
Great, great. Now, can you
Yes.
share something about the paper? How many questions you were able to attend and what was the paper to you accordingly?
So I attempted actually 145 questions. The five questions I thought means I could not rule out even a single option, so I left those. And yeah, so the section three was majorly cardiothoracic part. Rest of the two sections, I found that it was a bit of mix up of. Means we could not distinguish that this part is from this question is typically from this part. It was a mix up kind of questions. So, but yeah, third section I could find out that it was a basically cardiothoracic part.
Excellent. Excellent, Doctor.
Yes.
What is the message for the future aspirants of MCH super specialty?
So I would just say that for building your concept, you need to start early, and consistency is the key, sir. Means even if you don't get time during your residency, still those 1 2 hours you get that builds up and helps you in long term. So starting early and consistently building your concepts ultimately gives you success, sir. You may be feeling low and underconfident at times, but yeah, ultimately it is worth it.
Great.
I used to follow you from the first year itself, sir. Your videos on the YouTube channels, those toppers interviews, as well as I used to follow the Speed app, sir, from the previous. So, and I knew that the Speed has those segregations. So, I was mentally prepared by myself that I need to join Speed. Also, one or two seniors also introduced me the same, but I joined it for myself, sir, on myself.
So what was your experience? How relevant was this to this exam?
So Speed app actually the most thing I like, the most means the thing I liked about the speed app is it covers all the aspects. Means whether it may be since during residency you didn't get much time to cover the Sabiston as well as Bailey. So it gives you separate sections for Bailey as well as Sabiston, and also it has those modules for rapid revision and image-based questions. So it covers all the aspects of the questions asked in test. So that thing I liked it like the most. Plus the question means MCQ oriented pattern of teaching that gives you understand better understanding of what on you have to focus and what you need to focus on. That is the best thing of the app, sir.
Great, great, doctor.
Plus, sir, I would like to mention a thing. Whenever means during preparation, there often comes a time that we feel low or underconfident. I used to watch your videos. You were so graceful and motivating, sir, that we really used to feel. Uh, Even in the last 10 days, you were like you watch all the videos. We knew that means for myself, I knew that I am not able to complete all the videos in 10 days, but your those motivation kept going, kept us going, sir.
Great, great.
Yes, sir.
Doctor, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they
So,
have day one till date.
yes,
Tell
sir.
us what you did.
I would first of all like to thank my parents, sir. They believed in me, they motivated me, and also my elder brother, though he was a non-medico, but he was a IIT topper in himself, so he knew how the competitive exam is. He always guided me, and even my cousin younger brother, he also believed in me and kept me motivating. Also, my friends and colleagues, and thanks to Speed App even, sir.
Excellent, excellent.
Yes,
Congratulations. Doctor, uh, once again, we wish you all the best, all the success for a
yes,
great, wonderful, and amazing career in urology. Wishing you all
thank
the
you,
best to serve on millions of lives and to serve them and to give
thank you.
them the best that you have with you. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.